Good morning, my dear student. I hope you all are doing well. So today we will start our SST class as it is we are having geography. Today I will start from page number 9 and the topic will be soil. So first, as I have told you in our offline classes only, that this time I will not go with line by line reading. I will go with the summary, and if you feel any doubt you can contact me. Okay. So today's topic will be soil. What is soil? Soil is the thin, grainy substances layer which cover the surface of the earth. What is soil? Soil is a thin, grainy substances layer which cover the surface of the earth. This is the very simple definition of soil. So land and soil. Land is in general. Land we can see in mountains, in rivers, in plains, in desert. But soil, it is a subdivision of land. Soil can be different in different areas, right? And it has some characteristics. For that we can characterize soil. That alluvial soil, you have learned in EVS different kind of soil, right? So now soil is also a resources. Why? We will learn in upcoming topic. So now what is soil? Soil is the grainy substances layer which cover the surface of the earth. Now what is grainy substances? Grainy substances means small particles. Okay, these small particles are different in different places. So soil is also different in different places. For example, if we take plains, in plains soil are different, in a desert area soils are different. So soil are different because of its grainy substances. So now how soil made up? Soil made up of organic matter, minerals and weathered rocks. So it is made up of three things basically. You should remember: organic matter, minerals and weathered rocks. So which is found on the earth. So before going with weathered rocks, I would like to discuss a little bit about weathering. What is weathering? Weathering means the breaking up and decay of exposed rocks by temperature changes, frost action, plants, animals and human activity. Now weathering means actually we can say that the changes of soil from its original form. What is the original form of soil? It will change because of some factors. What factors they are? First is temperature change. When temperature rise higher, soil change. For example, if we take desert area, rocks it's transformed to soil. So then for frost and for action, plants hold the root, always hold the soil. When we cut down trees, then what we can see? Erosion of soil. Then human being also, because of agriculture or other purpose, tilling the soil. So these are the factors like temperature changes, human actions, plants, animals. It cause in the change of original form of soil or origin form of it change, and that's why that is only called weathering. So there are three important things for which the soil is made up of: organic matter, minerals and weathered rocks. Now what is fertile soil? You have learning, no? Fertile soil means where agriculture is means where we can see more agriculture, where we can see thickly populated people. We have learned, no? In northern plains soils are fertile, that's why maximum number of people live there, and agriculture is suitable for this kind of soil. So how soil means why some soils are fertile, why some soils are not fertile? Because of the right mix of minerals and organic matter. Why soil is fertile? When soil will be fertile? When there will be the appropriate amount of minerals and organic matter. So I hope you understand that soil is a resources. What is the definition of soil? The layer of grainy substances covering the surface of the earth, that is called soil. What is grainy substances? Small particles, and these small particles are different in different places. That's why soil is also different. Soil is made up of organic matter, minerals, weathered rocks. Then fertile soil, mix of minerals and organic matter in a right amount. Now in the glossary you can see weathering, which one I have explained. Now landslide. Landslide is a major problem. What is landslide? Basically landslide means mass movement of soil. Okay, mass movement of rocks. And why it happen? It happens due to several reasons. For example, earthquakes, floods and volcanoes. And when we can see prolonged rainfall, continuously when rainfall occurs, especially in highly mountain areas, then also we can see heavy landslide. And then it can form, the formation of river blocks can cause due to this heavy landslide. Okay. So for example, we can have about the Pangi village, which is in Kinnaur district of Himachal Pradesh, where due to landslide almost 200 meter old Hindustan-Tibet road national highway was damaged, and all the people were shifted. It was the villages were vacant nearby those highways, so that maximum number of loss of life can be prevented. So landslide is a major concern or major problem in mountain areas, and this is also reason for soil erosion. Okay. So now, can we prevent landslide? Yes, we can prevent landslide. The advanced technique, scientific technique, which has empowered us to understand what factors cause landslide and how to manage them, and that is called mitigation mechanism. So there are some safety measure or board mitigations techniques of landslide which can be followed. So my dear student, my book is not clear. Okay. Hazard mapping to locate areas prone to landslides, hence such areas can be avoided for building settlements. So first there have to be a survey where we are study where this landslide can be occur very often, so that building construction or settlement should be avoided. Then construction of retention wall to stop land from slipping. Then there should be some retention wall which it should be constructed, so that slipping of land can be stopped. Then increase vegetation should be increased, so that it can cover the arrest landslide. Then the surface drainage control works to control the movement of landslide along the rainwater and spring flows. So these are the safety measures that we can follow to prevent landslide. So what we have discussed today, we have discussed about the soil. What is the soil, how it forms, why some soils are fertile why some soils are not fertile, then landslide, how Pangi village affected, then how can we prevent landslide. Now here are some factors which are responsible for the formation of soil. That one we will discuss in our upcoming classes. So till here, if you find any doubt or difficulties, please feel free to contact me. Thank you.